X/Twitter down/not working. And if this video does help you in any way, please consider subscribing to the channel with notifications turned on and liking the video, as it does mean a lot to the channel. So now, I know for a lot of people right now, you are having issues getting on to X/Twitter and it is down and not working for you. Now, there are a few things that we could go ahead and do to try to fix this. So if X/Twitter is not working for you right now, what you could go ahead and try to do is basically either go, let's say like you have a phone and a desktop, go on the desktop version of X, like go on your PC and try to go on X like that. Another way you could do it is going on to the X website. You could try accessing it from the website if the app is not working for you. So that's one way. As you can see, like some people are getting on X, like I just got a notification. But yeah, those are two ways which you can go ahead and do it. Go on the website or go on your desktop, or try deleting the app and reinstalling the app. If all of that doesn't work for you, what you have to do is just wait for it to get fixed. Hopefully it does get fixed. Usually it gets fixed within a few hours. So if this video did help you, please consider subscribing to the channel. That is about it. Peace.